loaded up. All right, we've arrived here at Croom, spot 40. We're usually further that way, but this is a really nice spot. Got a lot of tree coverage from the sun. It's the least you can ask for, right? Nice. Ooh, this place is busy. It's warm. It's definitely hot out. So time to do some unload. The Croom Motorcycle Area is located within the Withlacoochee State Forest near Brooksville, Florida, and is a premier destination for off-roading. Encompassing approximately 2,600 acres, Croom offers a diverse terrain for riders of all skill levels. Now, Croom's history dates back to the late 19th century when phosphate mining began in Florida. Now, the Buttgenbach Mine, established in the early 1900s, operated in this area, leaving behind a landscape characterized by pits and mounds. After mining operations ceased, the land was acquired by the state of Florida in 1956 and later designated for recreational use. In 1973, through the collaborative efforts of the Florida Trail Riders and the Department of Agriculture, the Croom Motorcycle Area was officially established as Florida's only state property dedicated to off-highway motorcycle and ATV riders. As you can see, Croom's terrain is a mix of hardwood hammocks, tight scrublands, and remnants of its mining past, including numerous pits and elevation changes. This variety offers riders a range of experiences from easy trails suitable for beginners to challenging paths for seasoned riders. The area also features designated training zones and a technical riding area for those looking to sharpen their skills. Ain't much water now, it's so freaking hot. starting to go down a little bit here. It's starting to get a little quiet. Some other cool facts about Croom is that it's situated near the remnants of a ghost town formerly known as Pemberton Ferry. Established in the late 1800s, the town thrived due to industries like logging, mining, and turpentine production. Today, visitors can explore historical artifacts, old railroad grades, and cemeteries that offer a glimpse into the area's rich history.
Gotcha.
Look at that. There we go. Alright guys, tonight it is steak, and as always we have Chef Adam here. Right there, do a little extra virgin olive oil, some black pepper on top of it. Nice, nice. Here we go.
Somehow cut this to make another onion there. Alright, getting close to steak time. Oh boy. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Oh no.
Alright, now it's time to throw that steak on there. That's what we've been waiting for. Oh! Look at that. That's what we're talking about right here. Oh, look at the bottom of it though. You can see that. Oh yeah. Look at that. Better. Taste test.
Not bad.
If you're planning on visiting Croom, just know that you do have to have a permit for your OHV. You can buy a day pass, or you can be like me and go ahead and get your annual pass so you can come down and enjoy it as much as you want. All riders are going to be required to wear approved helmets, and any riders under 16 must have direct adult supervision. Now, you can see from my videos, I'm always wearing a full face helmet. Highly recommend you do that. As you're going by quickly, these low limbs can hit you in the face and really cause serious injury. So always recommend a full face helmet and eye protection. Croom is definitely one of my favorite locations to visit. I want to thank God for blessing me with the opportunity to go to these places and share them with all of you. It really is a true blessing for me, and I want to acknowledge that all of this is only possible because of Jesus Christ working in my life to bring me here. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I did creating it. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment of what you think. Until our next adventure, guys, God bless you all, and go outside.